Man, you can't score goals in some Shox. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Air Shox Neymar in the white colorway. Now, this is part of a two-shoe pack. There was a white shoe and a black shoe, and it was a collab with Neymar, who's had a couple of shoes released under his own moniker. So he's got these. He's also had a Jordan 5 release as well. And Neymar, as a football star, is extremely popular in Europe, and he's also trying to get a lot of that crossover success. The Nike Shox is an interesting choice. However, because it's celebrating its 20th anniversary, you know Nike's gonna go wild with all the colors, and so the Shox is what they gave Neymar. I've always liked the Shox because it's like got this kind of futuristic design, and like even like the Olympic colorways and the BB4s, like they also have like this futuristic styling. That was when Nike was also on the kick with the Foamposites and the Air Max 99s, you know, where they thought that's what we're gonna wear for the future. But to be fair, the Shox did have this very responsive technology and was futuristic for the time. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is platinum tint and platinum tint. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly synthetic upper with small leather detailing and mesh panels also. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the synthetic paneling for the toe box with the mesh detailing for the toe cap, along with the platinum tint detailings, also synthetic on the toe cap, and the middle ones are perforated. Moving towards the tongue, you've got the mesh tongue with the Neymar logo right on the tongue. You can see a little N right there. And you've also got white laces. The insole is red with the Neymar logo on the insole as well. It's a different one. It's a more word logo as opposed to the block N, which is also reminiscent of the Nike Shox logo. I just realized that they basically just inverted the Shox S and they gave them the Neymar logo. That's a nice touch. Moving towards the heel, you've got the synthetic base, which is perforated with the synthetic overlay panel, and all of it is in platinum tint. You've also got these Nike swooshes, and at the quarter, you've got the Neymar N. Moving towards the heel, you've got more of the synthetic paneling with the plastic detailing going up the shoe, and you've got this little red detailing in the middle of that. The medial is identical to the laterals, so you got the synthetic perforated base, and you got the synthetic overlays with the stitched platinum Nike swooshes and the Neymar logo on the heel. And the outsole is also platinum tint with the Nike Shox branding. Honestly, I like this colorway more than I like the other colorway in the collab, which was this black, orange, and greenish colorway. For no other reason than it's just a lot more muted, and it's really, really nice. It's a clean colorway, especially for the summer. However, that black colorway is also summer ready as well. Also, this colorway reminds me of the OG Shox colorway that came out earlier this month, the white and red colorway. And I guess that's also why I have more of a affinity of this for this colorway, or a soft spot for this colorway. Both of them are definitely nice, and they are still available. You can probably find both of them if you know where to look. I know West NYC had them online, as well as I think DTLR. So if you want to do some searching, you can definitely find this shoe easy. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Nike Shox R4 is now available at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for $150. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out the Solepost.com for more news, features, and purchase links for all the shoes we feature on the channel. Also, you can follow us everywhere at the Solepost. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.